Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas Cinnamoroll, so let's get started. To draw this cute white puppy from Sanrio, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So let's come right here and start with an oval. So we're going to come big curve and then bring it down. And connect. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide, say about right here, and draw another oval. So I'm trying to make it as light as possible with this Sharpie because Cinnamoroll's eyes are a nice, beautiful blue. Okay, there. So I have these two big ovals in. I'm going to come in between the ovals, eyes, and draw the mouth. So say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and curve and draw this wobbly, widen out W. There, right in the center. And actually I can make this a little bit darker. Okay, so now that I have the mouth in, we need to frame the face. So I'd like to come, say, to the top of the eye. I'm going to come out, say about right here. Just give myself a point, and about here. And then I'm going to draw this big dumpling shape. So I'm going to go around the eye. It's going to be a little bit wider towards the cheek area. So I'm going to widen this out. And then I'm going to start to go around. And same thing here. So usually if you're using a pencil, you would just go ahead and finish this curve. But because today I need to put in a present, I'm going to stop and just leave myself some space. So just curve in to say about right here, kind of like underneath the eye, and then I'll stop. There. Then let's draw the top. So I'm going to skip a little bit of space and then continue. And go up. So towards the center. And bring it down. So it's definitely gotten a lot easier for me to draw Cinnamoroll now that I've had so much practice. Thanks to all your love for this cute white puppy that I didn't even know was a puppy. I thought it was a bunny. And then before I forget, I'm just going to draw a little curve right here over the eyes. I'm sure many of you thought it was a bunny, right? Okay, so then from there, let's come say about right here, we're going to draw the cute floppy ears. So say about here, I'm going to curve up and I'm going to bring this out nice and long. Just say about right here, and then I'm going to go around and bring it back in. And in. There. So you can flop the ears however you like. Maybe one's higher, one's lower. It's all up to you. Just have fun with this. I'm going to come to the other side. So same thing. So I'm not too worried of being exact, but I'm just going to try my best to make it about the same length. That's my goal. So just take a look. About right there. And you can always measure it like with your hands. So you can say like about here. This one's a little bit longer, I think. That's a little bit easier. And say about right here, go ahead and connect. There. Okay, so I got these two big floppy ears in. Then from there, let's come back to the top and we're going to draw a Santa hat. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to use this space right here, and then I'm going to draw a bunch of curves going around, following this curve of the head. Nice and fluffy, all the way back down to the other side. There. And then we're going to come about right here in the space. Aim towards the center, about right there. And then bring it down, nice and wide. And then come back about right here, and we're going to draw the other curve, just like this side. And bring this down, and then about right here, connect it with another big poofy curve ball. There. So now Cinnamoroll is ready to celebrate the holidays. Okay, so then from there, let's see here. Let's bring this in a little bit more because we need to draw the body, small little body. So about right there, right underneath the eye, about here, I'm going to go ahead and start a curve. Coming down. So let's bring this down a little bit more. And same thing here. And about right there, I'm going to bring it in. And then I'm going to skip. Let's come in a little bit more. Skip a little bit of space. And draw a curve to connect. And skip a little bit of space. So we're skipping a space to put the legs. So about right here, we put in these tiny little Cinnamoroll legs. Just draw a little curve. So same thing here. There. And then for the, oh, before I forget, well, actually, you know what? Let's draw the hands first. So let's come back into this area right about here. And I'm going to draw his hands right here. And same thing here. Just towards the center. Round it off a little bit more. There, and then we can put whatever you like. You can put a star, a big ornament, but today I thought it'd be really nice to just add a present. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to pass the face right there and then go ahead and draw this gift right in Cinnamoroll's hands. So I'm going to continue this down just a little bit and connect. So creating this box right here. And let's decorate our gift box here with a lid. And we could, let's see here, add some stripes to make it festive. However you like to decorate it. I'm going to put a heart right in the center of our box, and then at the top you can just put a little bow, but I thought it'd be cute if you add some holly berry. So I'm going to come right here. If you want to do that, I'm just going to put 3 of these holly berries in a pile, and then we can add some leaves. So just curve, curve, and bring it in. And same thing here. Bring it in a little line, maybe one more. There. So hopefully you think that's cute, and you can bring this part in. And round it off. And then last but not least, forgot we need to finish off the head, so just connect it, and then the tail. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this round tail that we're going to stick right about here. For the Cinnamoroll tail, and then about right here, we're just going to curve and go around. There. And that is pretty much it for the drawing part of Cinnamoroll Christmas. So now I'm just going to go hurry up and quickly color this for you with some regular markers. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I helped you draw and color this cute Christmas cinnamon roll fun and easy today. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.